Welcome to my channel. I'm sorry I didn't post my video in a long time, but today we're gonna make the most delicious smoothie you ever had. So let's get started. The first thing you need an apron. Woohoo! Oh, it's backwards. Funny. I never cook. Let's hope this turns good. I can't tie this. We don't need an apron. Anyway, let's go. I have a secret. You need a blender. I'm strong. Take a move. I got a blender. The first step: 1 cup orange juice. Oh no. I won't. Oh my god. Next, add 1 cup frozen fruit. I'm using blueberries, but you can use it whatever you want. These looks like rabbit poops.
What did he say?
After that, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Let's be careful. If you don't want sugar, you can use honey. Honey is healthier. I don't care because I like sugar. After the sugar, you want 1 teaspoon of vinegar. No. Guys, I have a secret. I have a secret ingredient. You can't tell anybody. This is the secret ingredient is lemon juice. You need 2 teaspoons. Okay. We have to be careful and don't spill or you're gonna get in trouble. Oh. Dead. Now you put the lid on. Wait. Okay. Oh, which one? Oh. Where is it? Okay, I'm so confused. Uh-oh.
1 hour later.
Now start. Where is it? Now I can take it off. I can take the lid off. It's so strawberry. Ew.
An eternity later.
Make sure to get a straw. Let's try it.